So I got this working. This is awesome. Today we're gonna go to some summit, me and some of the wedding party friends, new friends, and super excited. Look at this, look at it. GoPros are cool. You're on the way to, wait, where are we going?
What's the first stop?
Yeah, the view from top, but the first one I think it's Sirao Garden.
I was introduced to Lisa and Jennifer in the Facebook chat. You see, my friend, the bride, was concerned about the single solo people going together, so she put us together in a group chat so we can just get together and maybe hang out. So this is actually the first time meeting in person.
Sirao Garden. Yeah, that is the. From here it takes almost 1 hour.
Oh my gosh.
I think 40 minutes to 1 hour.
Because then there'll be all the stuff up top, I guess.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna see more.
Don't kill this for me. I love it. They hired a driver to go to 3 locations and asked me if I wanted to come. And I said, yeah.
Bingo. To try. And I'll just.
What?
The food. The food? Boss, maybe have the driver take it?
Thank you.
Here first and then later get down.
This is beautiful. I'm pretty sure I forgot I had a GoPro at this time.
I think that's fine.
Oh my god, I almost tripped. Because, you know, Hansel.
How do we get there? Is it over there on that one?
I think it's the other way.
We'll do that later then. I don't know if they're up there.
We're at Sirao Garden. It's fantastic. Here's my peoples.
Oh, you guys are going up there. I'm sitting down here.
Yeah, you sit there. Gotta get more. I completely forgot I had this thing. So I'm gonna re-walk around and show you guys everything all over again.
Don't do it.
I don't remember whose idea it was to climb up this thing.
Oh, yeah,
I'm behind you.
Okay, be careful.
Okay, one of you get the one above me. Hi.
Oh my god. How do I?
I don't know. Figure it out.
Okay, alright. But we did it.
One more.
Look, I was just happy to be here.
Five, right? I got us 2, but still. Masaya ka na, Diego?
Hindi pa, pero nakita ko na ako saan. Saan kayo?
다낭인가 어디 있었잖아. 아니 이거 한국에 가잖아. 배. 어.
It's my favorite. I love it. It's the entrance. I showed it to you guys backwards, but you know, that's it. Here's the full landscape. Beautiful. So that was the garden, and there were random dogs laying around. We're at Tops.
Jason, want to take a bite? Take a bite? You want to try?
No.
Hey, Jason!
Hey!
Hi!
The view is breathtaking. What do you think? Can't beat this. We're at Tops. I'm hungry, I think, which is odd for me. And it's like we're, you can see the clouds, kind of. See right there? It's like we're fighting or being chased by rain. But you can see over there, it's nice. So it's pretty much following us.
You're in my
here.
way, Jason.
I'm in your way.
I'm kidding. I was only really joking.
Jen bullies me because she cares. I shove a camera in your face because I care. What is this called again?
Temple of Leah.
I don't know anything about that. Look at this. Look at this. Tartaria columns. Tartaria! Google it. Anyway, look at it.
No. Picture the booty booty.
The booty? It's booties!
I told you.
I love booty!
I love no wait. Skip the toast too. We always go some other Cebu. Will we do this?
That's it for the first adventure with the bridesmaids, and there's many more they're dragging me to. Peer pressure is real. Chasing us down, and they all something on me. We belong to you and